Hello, welcome to SDSC Specialist Cars. This is our video review of our 2005 BMW Z4 2 litre. It's just come into us. This car is absolutely pretty much as she came out of the factory. Whoever's owned her has pampered her. Everything on this car is perfect. I just can't find a fault. I'm going to have a walk round and you'll see how good this is. This is a real enthusiast car, this is. I'm sure this car's never been out on a rainy day, and you'll see when I show you the hood. Anyway, front wing here, absolutely perfect, no marks or anything on there. Front wheel there, nice and clean, no marks or anything on that one. Coming along the driver's side, no mirror scrapes, no chips, no marks. Super shine in the paintwork. And the rear wheel there, again, nothing on that one. Coming round the back of the car. And the boot lid there. Right, here's the roof. It's like a new roof. Looks like it's fresh material. Rear quarter. Rear wheel there, again no marks on that one. I should just put this car away for 10 years until it's a classic, and then it'll be worth a fortune. Look at the bonnet, look at the shine on that. The front wheel there, again, just spotless. She is very low mileage, as you'll see in a minute. And the front here, no stone chips, marks, scratches, headlights super shiny, and the bonnet is factory fresh, not a chip. Needless to say, you can tell I'm excited about this car, can't you? Inside we've got the tech interior, the sensatec interior, which moulds to your body. It's much better than the leather. No wear or anything on there. Carpets are absolutely perfect. And if I just turn this on, 12,725 miles to the next service, and she's covered 57,167 miles. Electric roof. Again, in here, no scratches, no marks, nothing. 6-speed manual gearbox. BMW logo on the kick plates. Driver's door cards all perfect. We'll open the bonnet over here. There's not even any marks or anything in here, and even the runners are spotless. There's the book pack there. Passenger door card rather. And come around, have a look under the bonnet. I do love the bonnets on these, they're huge. And under here, likewise, it's all lovely. No oil leaks from anywhere. What a stunning car. Like I say, I wish I could just stash that away. It's just lovely. Anyway, should you have any more questions, please give me a call. My name is Stuart and our website is www.sdsc.co.uk. Many thanks for watching.